everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn how to fix this Windows issue. When we try to update, it says your processor is not supported or TMP is locked. So first I'm gonna show you the error. There you go, you've seen this processor error and this is TMP error. So close the window and go to the Windows source file and delete this file. I'll provide the description of name in the description, so delete it. And after that, run as administrator. Once you delete the app user file, then you click on setup, and if you want to update it, just update it. Be patient and let it work. The Windows popper will close and reopen again. As you can see, no TMP error, accept, and there you go. If you want to update or do something, it's up to you. I have already updated my Windows, so I'll show you. There you can see my Windows is Windows 11 Pro workstation and H2. So see you in the next video very soon. Thanks for like, subscribe, share and comments.